In this video, I'm going to show you how to allow calls while you are on Do Not Disturb focus mode. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Settings, and here you can easily find Focus. Just get into it and then tap on Do Not Disturb. After that, hit right here where it says People to allow some users to call you, and the first thing that I recommend you to do is to set up this feature. It calls Allow Calls From. You can hit at that box to bring up that extra options, and by default this feature set to allowed people only, but you can switch it to everybody to let everybody call you on Do Not Disturb mode, or you can switch it to favorites or contacts only. But I like that option, allowed people only, so I can now manually select the contacts whom I want to get calls from. You can add any contacts here, and only that contacts is allowed to call you while you are on Do Not Disturb mode. To add a contact here, tap at that plus sign, it brings up your contacts book, and you can just check mark those persons whom you want to add to that list, and then hit on done to add them here. Also, in the same way, you can hit at that minus sign on the contacts profile picture to remove that contacts from that box. Also, that feature may be useful for you, so instead of selecting Allow Notifications From, you can select Silence Notifications From, and there you can add a persons here whom you don't want to get calls from. Sometimes some specific persons keep bothering us, and we can add that persons right here, such a kind of block list. And there is one more pretty feature. It calls Allow Repeated Calls. If this feature is enabled, a second call from the same person within 3 minutes will not be silenced. So if some person not from that list keep calling you, it might be also important call. For example, it can be some kind of delivery or something like that. And by enabling this option, you allow them to call you even when you are on Do Not Disturb mode. I hope this helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.